Hello, my name is Jaws, and welcome back to Imajawnation, where I'm going to actually finally review the Geyser 51-S stainless steel restaurant style faucet that I bought like half a year ago and made a video on unboxing it, and I've been meaning to take a video of it working, but things have come up and it's been taking me forever to do it. But here's the video, and I'll explain some of the features of the faucet. Not that there's much to a faucet, but hopefully I can cover most everything that you would need to know before purchasing the faucet. Well, here we go. Now, for me to have recorded this quickly, I use my cell phone, so hopefully it's stable enough to work. But overall, it's a pretty nice finish. It moves easy, no noise. You can pull down on the spray nozzle and it'll extend down because there's a weight on it underneath the sink, which I'll show later. And if you turn on the faucet, it has pretty good pressure. It'd be enough pressure if you need to clean any hard particles off your dishes. I do have a 9-inch deep sink, which I think is the deepest sink they sell, at least at Lowe's or Home Depot. And it still gives me some splash onto the counter. So note it, if you have this faucet or plan on buying it and you don't have a deep sink, you'll probably get a lot of splash out. The button to turn the nozzle to spray to stream, it sticks on the initial. If you let it sit, it'll stick sliding up and down a little bit, which isn't too bad, but I've had this installed, been using it for about 6 months. So overall, as long as you wipe it down after you get it done, it works. It was spraying a little funky, but as you can see, it's because I got some calcium deposits or just hard water deposits, more or less, that I need to clean off the nozzles. I also bought the Geyser soap dispenser to go along with it because it matches the faucet really well. One downside I had of the soap dispenser, it works fine. It's just, for some reason, I had like this brown, almost like paste or like flux or something that came out. I don't know if it was from the particular soap I was using at the time, or if it was from when they manufactured it. It was just still in there. It took me a while to get it all out. Underneath the sink is where you'll see the weight that's attached to the hose line. So it's a pretty hefty little weight. So you'll have it takes a little bit of effort to pull the actual nozzle down, so it won't just fall down by itself. So if you pull down a nozzle, the weight goes up and the weight brings it back down. Nothing too exciting, but it works fine. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the faucet, and I think it's a good investment. It looks great in the kitchen, and there's no real quality issue that I've noticed, other than I'm not a big fan of the slide button. I wished it was more of a press button. But if it's a press button, it wouldn't stay on the whole time. So it depends on whether you wanted the spray portion of it to constantly spray without having to hold a button or not. It's just personal preference. You can mount the on and off handle on either or side. I put it in front personally, so that way when my hands are all wet and I shut off, the water stays in the sink and doesn't puddle up on one side or the other, because some sinks don't have a lip like mine do, so the water will just run off onto the counter. So overall, I like the faucet. I think it's a good buy. I think I paid 150 or close to that for it. You could shop around. Some people are asking way too much for it, so I think anything below 200 is a good price for it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. And if there's anything else you'd like to see or any questions I might be able to answer, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, I will see you later.